Hello everyone, it's Naturally Cookie here, and I'm coming to you today with a video on daily moisturizing carrot juice. Alright, let's get right into this video.
And all the friends, let's go. Ain't no ho-ho-hos, overweight we go. Ain't no ho-ho-hos, yeah.
Hello everyone, it's Naturally Cookie here, and today I'll be coming to you with a carrot juice daily moisturizer for natural hair. Alright, let's get right into this video. I've taken 2 carrots and I've already shredded them with my cheese shredder. I'm going to put that in my blender.
These circumstances are the most, and we don't care. We link together as we pray from everywhere.
I noticed that on some of the YouTube videos, people wear gloves, and I'm assuming their intention of reason of why they're wearing gloves is because they intend on selling their products. I make my hair products just for myself. No one else intended to be using my products except for me. So on that note, I don't wear gloves. I make sure my hands are clean and washed, but I don't have gloves on. Alright, next I'm going to put in 1 to 2 cups of aloe vera juice. I'm going to pour a little bit more, so make that about 3 cups of aloe vera juice. Next, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey. And this is what I have here. Walmart brand organic honey. Next, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. And this is the brand that I use. I ordered that off of Amazon. Next, I'm going to blend that up. Let it settle. Next, I'm going to take a bowl with my nut milk bag, and I'm going to pour my mixture inside of the bag. And I'm going to strain. this pulp is what I'm left with. I'm going to save that and put it to the side because I have another video coming up after this one where I'm going to use that in my deep conditioner. So if you guys want to see that, please stay tuned and watch my next video that we'll post after this one. Alright, I'm going to pour this inside of one of my bottles. I get these bottles from Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Kroger's, wherever I can find the condiment bottles. They're normally $1 each. And I just buy up every last one of them they have when I go in, when I can find them. I'm going to sanitize the inside of my bottle with some alcohol. Alright, and now let's pour our mixture in. Try my best not to make a mess. Okay everyone, this is what I have left. I had enough to make a whole nother bottle, but I end up wasting it. So this is what I have. And I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 tablets of MSM. This is the brand I use here. You can order it off of Amazon. I'm also gonna add about 5 drops of lavender oil. I also ordered this off of Amazon, as well as 5 drops of peppermint oil, which is I also ordered off of Amazon. So let me open the top.
Christmas. Just let a freak beat for my Christmas. Donald Trump eat beat for my Christmas. Wet, with his slow head. Free your soul on that pole, maybe drop dead. Santa Claus don't come my way. Rudolph, yeah, I like your tails. Mrs. Claus, let me
The MSM I have is in a gel capsule. I just open the capsule and pour the powder into my content. So I end up with the capsules left over. This is how much peppermint oil I'm placing in. This is how much lavender oil I'm putting in. And I'm going to close this up and give it a good shake. Alright, this is what I have left. Rich Orange Daily Moisturizing Carrot Juice. You can add this to your pre-poo or use it as a pre-poo. You can use it as a detangler. You can add it into your deep conditioner to add extra benefits. You could also put it in a spray bottle for easy application. Unfortunately, I ran out of spray bottles. Like I said, with the ingredients that I used and the amount that I used, I did have enough to make 2 of these bottles. However, I waste the remainder of the other bottle. It flipped over while I was pouring it into the bottle. And these bottles here are 14 ounces. Like I said, you can get them at Kroger's, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, anywhere. They're condiment bottles that you will put like ketchup and mustard, mayonnaise and stuff in when you're having parties. I hope you guys like this video. Please share this video with your family and friends. Thumb up this video if you like this content. Stay tuned and watch my next video to see what I do with the carrot quotes that I had left over from making this video here. Until next time, everyone, stay blessed.